Ready to buy or sell crypto, but those chunky Coinbase fees are making you second-guess your trade? You're not alone. While Coinbase is one of the most popular and user-friendly crypto exchanges out there, their standard transaction fees can be surprisingly high, especially for smaller trades. It feels like you're losing money before your investment even has a chance to grow. The good news is, there are a few simple tricks to slash those costs and keep more crypto in your wallet. And it all starts with moving away from the basic Coinbase interface. The single biggest way to save money on Coinbase fees is to use Coinbase Advanced, which replaced the old Coinbase Pro. Think of the main Coinbase app as the easy mode, simple, fast, but expensive. Coinbase Advanced is the professional tool, offering significantly lower fees. The best part? It uses the exact same account and funds as your regular Coinbase account, you just access it differently. How much of a difference are we talking about? On the standard Coinbase app, you can pay a variable fee that, when combined with the spread, can be quite high. On Coinbase Advanced, you use a maker-taker fee model, where fees are often under 1% and drop even lower as your trading volume increases. It's a massive difference. So, how do you use advanced trading? First, you can usually access it right from the main Coinbase app or website by navigating to the trade section and looking for the advanced trade option. Second, once you're in, you need to change how you place your orders. On the main app, you're always placing a market order, which means you buy or sell immediately at the current market price, and you pay a higher taker fee. The trick to getting the lowest possible fee, the maker fee, is to use a limit order. A limit order lets you set the specific price you want to buy or sell at. For example, if Bitcoin is at $60,000, you can set a limit order to buy at $59,900. You become a maker because you're adding liquidity to the exchange, which means you pay a much lower fee. Your order only fills if the price hits your target, so it might not execute immediately, but the savings are worth the patience. Another way to avoid high deposit fees is to be smart about how you fund your account. Skip the debit or credit card. Those payment methods often come with fees up to 4% because they give you instant access to your funds. Instead, use an ACH bank transfer, which is typically free on Coinbase and Coinbase Advanced. It takes a few days for the funds to clear, but again, patience equals savings. Finally, think about when you withdraw your crypto. Moving crypto from a Coinbase wallet often incurs a network or gas fee, which goes to the miners, not Coinbase. While you can't avoid this fee entirely, you can often select a slower transaction speed in your settings, which will reduce the fee, though your transaction will take longer to confirm. So, the summary is simple: ditch the basic buy button. Use Coinbase Advanced, fund your account with a free ACH bank transfer, and use limit orders to qualify for the lowest maker fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.